We all know Gen Zs aren't regular.
I'm not regular!
They are creative, opinionated, and expressive. Here are 5 professions they are loving. Welcome to Chelis Bookazine's YouTube channel. Let's talk Gen Zs. Wait, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done so, and turn on the notification bell so you can always be a part of our educational content. Generation Z. These are people born between 1997 and 2012. This generation's identity has been shaped by the digital age. Now, the top 5 jobs that Gen Zs love. First up, we have content creation and social media. Gen Zs are no stranger to social media and social content. They are content itself. Careers in content creation, influencer marketing, and social media management are trending career options for Gen Zs with a knack for creativity and authenticity. They easily build thriving online presence. Next is technology and software development. Most Gen Zs are known to be tech savvy. This makes them ideal candidates for careers in software development, coding, and app creation. They embrace innovation and pilot technological advancements. Next up is sustainability and environmental advocacy. Gen Zs are deep thinkers and would go to any length to ensure that their environment is sustainable, not just now, but for the future. Careers in environmental science, sustainable agriculture, and green energy offer opportunities to make a meaningful impact on our planet. We also have health and wellness. As advocates for mental and physical health, Gen Zs thrive in careers like nutrition, fitness coaching, and mental health counseling. Promote well-being and help others lead healthier lives. And finally, modern entrepreneurship and startups. Gen Z's entrepreneurial spirits are strong and like nothing we have ever seen. Many are eager to start their own innovative businesses, develop apps, or launch innovative products and services. Gen Zs are taking over. We love to see it. Gen Alpha is growing up and will soon start choosing their career paths. Dear parents, we as an organization want to appeal to you to encourage your children's passions. As a matter of fact, Chelis Group exists out of pure passion that was nurtured. Nurture their interests, provide mentorship, and support their dreams. Let them contribute to the world in their own unique ways. We have a wide range of books that will prepare your children for any job they have an interest in. You can get these books from any of the Chelis Bookazine stores nationwide, or visit our online store www.chelisbookazine.com. Displayed on the screen are the addresses of our bookstores, where you can get any book of your choice. You can also contact Chelis Bookazine via any of our phone numbers showing on the screen. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable tips. Until next time, keep buying your educational books from Chelis Bookazine. Thank you for watching.